Saturday, July 13th.
From 10 to 2
is Revitalize Puna.
Opening remarks by Mayor Roth. Big news on Puna Road restoration with DPW at 10:15. Resilience and recovery is a cockhole thing.
Talk story with local government officials.
And share your mind. Come visit Resource Pro and talk stories with all kinds of Puna organizations.
We've got everything from animal rescue to Head Start education programs. Free native and food plants. The school year is just around the corner.
We have so much resources for both Ohana and Keiki.
Free grind from local vendors. This event is free and open to the public.
We have tons of Keiki activities, including a bounce house. ASL interpretations will be provided. Come to Revitalize Puna. Don't forget to register here.